In this video, we'll show you how to set up and safely use the Forest Master Garden Pro Cordless Electric Pruning Shears. Slide the battery into the base of the shears until it locks into place. To power up the shears, press and hold the power button until the green light turns on. Quickly pull the trigger twice to activate the blades. To change the blade opening, simply press the power button. The blade will cycle between the narrow and wide settings. Now you can start pruning. Just pull the trigger and let the shears do the work. To turn the shears off safely, first pull and hold the trigger to close the blades, then long press the power button. For an extended reach, simply pair your shears with the Garden Pro Telescopic extension pole. Here's how to attach the shears and get started. Press the battery release button, then slide the battery off the base of the shears. Slide the battery into the battery slot at the end of the telescopic pole until it clicks. Slide the base of the shears onto the other end of the telescopic pole until it securely clicks into place. To adjust the pole's length, flip open the locking levers. Extend the pole to your desired height, then snap the levers closed to lock it. To adjust the cutting angle, press the pivot button on the pole's head and angle the shears as desired. Once all your adjustments are complete, hold down the power button to turn the shears on. Press and hold the safety button on the pole's handle. While holding it, quickly pull the trigger twice to activate the blades. Pull the trigger to confirm the blades are active. Press the power button to cycle through the blade openings, letting you switch easily between small and large branches. You are now ready to tackle those high branches and tall hedges. To shut down, press and hold the power button until the system is fully off. Order your Forest Master Garden Pro Cordless Electric Pruning Shears today. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.